Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife.
A,
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the
B,
dairy-o. The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
C,
Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the
D,
cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse
1,
takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
2,
The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat.
3,
The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat
4.
takes the mouse.
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
The dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese
A is for
stands alone.
airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. One baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. 4 cozy blankets wrap. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please like and subscribe to my channel.